Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Marketing Gurukul. In this particular video, I am going to share some preliminary thoughts regarding personal branding, primarily for those who are yet to understand what the hula balu about this jargon, about this particular terminology is all about. For those of you who are conversant with the idea of influencer marketing, what I can tell is personal branding is a precursor to influencer marketing. From being no one to becoming an influencer takes some amount of time and lot amount of meticulous calculated activity. And this meticulous calculated activity is what personal branding is all about. As the name suggests, personal branding means where you are branding yourself. Unlike in case of products, where the branding is being done by the marketer, in case of personal branding, it is you and you only who should be doing the branding for yourself. The reason being, no one can know you better than you yourself. And if you leave the branding to people exterior to you, there is a risk of they reading you wrongly. Just like every activity requires to have a solid foundation, personal branding activity too requires a solid foundation. Just as a product brand needs to have a core essence and a broad-based core essence, similarly any personal brand needs to have a solid core essence on which it can build logic, build sense and sensibility. So what is personal branding all about? Well, personal branding as described by me is something where you are differentiating yourself in a very plain vanilla way of making people understand this particular aspect of personal branding. I will say it is about differentiation, it is about strongly differentiating oneself in the market. You might be an educator, and there are thousands of educators in the industry. How do you go about differentiating yourself in this education business? There has to be something that others are not doing. There has to be ways and means of communicating and certain activities being undertaken by you which others are not doing, and that is where lies the differentiation, that is where lies the activity surrounding personal branding. What are the factors that go on to build a personal brand? In other words, what are the building blocks to a personal brand? So first and foremost is personal proof. Secondly, it is social proof. Third, association. And fourth, recognition. These are the four building blocks of a personal brand. Personal proof is basically about a person's education, the certificates that one has obtained, the education that one has received, the qualification that one possesses, As far as social proof is concerned, it is about how the society has recognized a person. That means in terms of the number of followers, or say a post is being created and being published in a social media. How many people are interacting, how many people are engaging, how many people are liking, how many people are commenting, how many people are sharing. These all stand to add equity to a personal brand. Third is the association. With whom is this person associating? With which school, with which college was he associated? Where is he presently associated? What is the network with which this particular person is associating? Which is that particular institution where a particular person might be having a lifetime membership? And finally, it is about recognition. The awards or other forms of recognition that a person has received, the accolades received by the person. So these will be the 4 building blocks of a personal brand. Considering some of the caveats to personal branding, there are several caveats, and over here I will just focus on few of them. Firstly, do not pose to be someone you are not. So, a very common temptation seen among people who want to make a name for themselves, who want to make a brand out of their name, is they try to be someone they are not. They try to be someone where their own expertise does not lie. Their strengths are not in that particular area, and thereby they are gravely hurting their own personal brand. Secondly, put your own mask on before you ask others to do. So as you are building your personal brand, always remember to set examples. Do not preach. No one likes to be preached. People like to follow, not preach. So do something that will be exemplary, that will be inspiring, and you will soon find that you are transforming yourself into a durable personal brand. Do not beat about the bush, or do not overdo things. In this world of social media, do not try to say too much, do not say too little, because either way you are going to cause damage to your own personal brand. And do not try to be a master of everything, because simply you cannot be a master of everything. There will be areas where you will be good at. There will be areas where you will be an expert. Try to develop your area of expertise. Try to gain as much knowledge as possible, so that in that particular area you stand to become a numero uno person to whom people will reach out to in order to seek advice, in order to seek affirmation regarding certain things. So, viewers, this was just a preliminary discussion on personal branding. In case anyone is interested to know more about personal branding, they can surely get in touch with me at the number and at the email ID given below this particular video in order to have a full-length webinar on this particular subject, where they will receive lot of priceless insights into personal branding. Viewers, I hope you like this video. Thank you.